Good morning everyone. I am here with my video of standard 5th SST. I'll be giving you the difficult words of chapter 2, the imaginary lines, latitude and longitude. The first word is longitude. We read it as longi, then tude. Longitude. What do we mean by longitude? The longitude of a place is its distance to the west or east of a line passing through Greenwich. Now we come on second word, that is indicate. Indicate. We read it as indicate. Indicate means, what do you mean by indicate? Indicate means to show that something is probably true or exists. Something that is probably true. We call that word as indicate. You must have heard, I got indication from him. The third word is latitude. 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 What do you mean by latitude? Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at the poles. That is latitude. They are imaginary lines passing from equator. Fourth word is parallel. Parallel. That is, it means something with the same distance between them for all their length. There may be many lines, and if there is equal distance between all of them, they are known as parallel. Fifth word is intersection. 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 The place where two or more lines meet or cross other is known as intersection. I'll show you the example when two lines cross. If two pens are I'm crossing two pens, this is called intersection. This is called intersection. Now, the sixth word is calculation. You must be aware of this fact, calculation. Everyone must be aware of this fact. Calculation. Calculation. It means careful planning in order to achieve what you want without considering other people, or you can tell finding an answer by using mathematics. You always tell, I have calculated the sum. That is calculation, when you find an answer by using mathematics. After that, come to seventh word, that is hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is hemisphere? This is we know hemisphere means one half of the earth. One half of the earth is known as hemisphere. That is, upper half is known as northern hemisphere and lower half is known as southern hemisphere. After that, we come on eighth word, that is observatory. Observatory. What do you mean by observatory? Observatory. Observatory. It means a building from which scientists can watch the stars, the weather, etc. That is observatory. Here we come with ninth word. Ninth word is irregular. What do you mean by irregular? Not having a shape or pattern that we recognize or can predict. That is irregular. Irregular. After that, 10th word, constantly. Constantly. Constantly means always. When something happens again and again, we tell this is happening constantly. Now come to 11th word, that is particular. 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 What do you mean by particular? Particular means greater than usual. Particular means greater than usual, or we can say it has special. Do this particular page means do this special page, this page. Then the last word is Greenwich. Greenwich. Greenwich means, you must be knowing about Greenwich. Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time is the mean solar time in Greenwich, London, reckoned from midnight. What is Greenwich? Greenwich Mean Time is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London, reckoned from midnight. That's all. Thank you.